right, guys, so right here is kind of like so disorganized. Like there's some chips up here I need to move down, but this bucket, like there's not much in it. So I really need to go through it and see what's in here, see if it needs to stay in this bucket or if I can move this bucket into that one because that one's bigger. These are just like all of our meds and stuff, and I think some of it just needs to be condensed. Like I don't think there's much in here. Like yeah, there's not much in this bag box. It's just kind of, I swear when you get sick, like stuff just accumulates and then it's just, to be honest, I have no idea what's going on in here. So today I'm going to tackle like just this little area and kind of organize it. So I thought I'd show you guys like what we've got going on, how I organize it. Ugh. I just hopefully can like figure it out. That's a whole other day. That's like toiletries, like travel stuff. So I don't even touch that. I just want to go from this over today and kind of just see what we got going on, if we need anything, if anything's expired, and just fix it because it's a hot mess. All right, guys, so this is all done. It probably didn't even take me 10 minutes. It was so quick and easy. So as you see, the meds were in this white bucket, so I just transferred them because there was just more of this stuff. It's just, there's just so many meds. When you have a lot of people in the house, it's just a lot. And when you got kids, like we have some of those Pedialyte pops. I also have some of the like the electrolyte drink stuff. I got saline packets because we have, you know, I use this guy, which is like the saline wash. We do have a lice treatment, which Jeffrey came home one day from school. There was a lice breakout in his class. Thankfully, it was just a couple of kids who had it. Jeffrey did not get it, but I picked it up on the way home because I needed the comb inside. You couldn't just buy the comb. So I ended up just using one treatment, but I didn't want to get rid of it in case it ever happens again. And it's got a good expiration date. Some first aid stuff, a lot of meds, Jeffrey's inhaler and the, what is it, the aero chamber. This is what that is. And then all meds. So that's kind of good. I went through it. There was actually a lot of expired. I was pretty shocked. Like, I have a lot in there right now. And then I did find that I had a bag of pads in there. This will be great after baby's born. This isn't the ones I'd like to use like right after delivery. The ones I like, I think they're the Always. I know they're overnight, but they're purple. They're like really thick and they're super long. Like, I kid you not, they like go from the front of my underwear all the way to the back, which is great because you need that that first week. So, but it was good to know I have these. So I have this for like that, you know, after you do that, you know, that first week postpartum. And then this in here, we've just got Jeffrey's nebulizer, my blood pressure cuff, which I have not needed to use yet, which is good, but I'm sure I will towards the end of the pregnancy. This is the hair clippers, lint roller, and then some outdoor stuff like our sunscreen and bug spray. What's this? Oh, burn relief, because that happens. So now I'm going to get this back in the cabinet and see how it looks. All right, so here is all of it looking back. It's like, I feel like there's so much more room, and I actually was able to fit the pads under my sink in the bathroom, which was great. So now this is all organized. I feel so much better. I feel like there's a ton more room, even though I know there's not, but it just feels better. So hope you guys enjoyed.